Sometimes the words are in your mind, but they don't come out of your mouth. You know what you want to say, but the sentence stops halfway. You try again, but something blocks you. Fear, confusion, doubt. You pause. You smile nervously. You say, "Sorry, my English is not good." Even when you understand English, you still feel afraid to speak it. Why? Because speaking is not just knowledge. It's confidence. It's flow. It's trust in yourself. And that trust doesn't grow from pressure. It grows from connection. Now listen closely. This might surprise you. The most powerful way to speak English better is to read more English. Yes, reading. Why reading? Because reading gives you what speaking needs, without fear. When you read, there is no one watching, no one correcting, no one judging, just you and the words, just you and the rhythm of English. Reading is quiet, but its power is deep. Reading lets you slow down. It gives your brain time to understand, time to feel, time to grow. When you read, your brain learns how English sounds, how it moves, how it breathes. Let's imagine English is a river. Listening is like watching the river flow. Speaking is like jumping into it. But reading is like walking along the edge. You see how the water moves. You learn its shape. You prepare. So when the time comes to speak, you know how to swim. Reading is not about speed. It's about feeling. It's about understanding. When you read, you meet words again and again. You learn them naturally, not by force. You see words in context. You understand them with emotion. You learn how they connect, not just what they mean. And your brain starts to build a quiet library of language, a beautiful library that will one day become your voice. Every time you read, you feed your English voice. Even when you don't speak out loud, you're training your mind to speak. It's like music. Person doesn't play music the first time they see notes. First they listen. Then they feel the rhythm. Then they read music. And slowly they play. Your English is the same. Reading is your practice, your safe space, your training ground. You may say, but reading doesn't help me speak fast. Let me ask you something. When you were a child, did you speak fast on your first day? No. You listened. You felt. You repeated slowly. Then one day, you spoke. Reading brings back that natural process. Let's say you read a small story every day. A short paragraph. Nothing big. After 1 week, your brain starts to notice patterns. After 2 weeks, you feel more familiar with the sentence flow. After 1 month, you start thinking in English. After 2 months, you speak with more confidence. Not because you forced it, but because you absorbed it. That's the secret. Reading is not just learning. It's absorbing. And what you absorb becomes part of you. When you read English, you start hearing it in your thoughts. You speak to yourself in English. You respond to ideas in English. And when that happens, your mouth doesn't feel like a stranger to the words anymore. The fear becomes smaller. The voice becomes stronger. Reading is not only for knowledge. It's for voice. It's for feeling. It's for freedom. If you've been learning English for years, but still feel stuck when speaking, start reading. Not for tests, not for rules, but for rhythm, for connection. Even 5 minutes a day can change your English forever. Choose simple things. Children's books, short stories, dialogues, comics, whatever brings you joy. Don't chase hard texts. Chase clear, beautiful ones, and read them again and again, because repetition is magic. The more you see, the more you remember, the more you feel, the more you can say. You don't need to read like a student. Read like a friend, like a dreamer, like a traveler, visiting a new place inside your mind. If you want to speak like a native, read how natives write, not just textbooks, but natural stories, conversations, real emotion. That's how your brain will understand the music of English. You may not feel the result in one day, but trust the process, because inside you, there's a voice forming, a beautiful voice, a strong voice, a voice that will come out when it's ready. Reading is helping that voice grow. Every sentence you read is one step closer to confidence. You don't need a perfect accent. You don't need to speak fast. You don't need to speak first. You just need to feel connected. And reading connects you in the softest, strongest way. So tonight, before you sleep, read a little, not because you must, but because it matters. It matters to your brain, to your voice, to your future. Read gently. Read slowly. Feel every word. Let it stay with you. And trust, your voice will come. If this message touched your heart, please subscribe and share this with someone who also feels stuck. Let them feel hopeful again, like you do now. Thank you for being here. Thank you for trusting yourself. Thank you for letting me guide you. You are not just learning English. You are becoming English speaker. One page, one voice, one day at a time.